Let's talk about IC Electric Plume Folding Bike, Unisex Adult, Plume. Folding bike and urban, practical and handy, the Plume folds quickly and easily for transportation in the subway, train, or in your car. Battery: litio-polímero 36 volts 11Ah motor, 250 watts brushless battery, 5,565 kilometers pedaling assistant system. Brakes: brake aluminium alloy front fork, zoom suspension. Change: Shimano Tourney 7-speed Megarange. Haven't rode it much yet, but up to now it's been great. Bought bike from origin owner October 2017, so it could be up to 3 years old. Everything works perfectly and Plume is a delight to ride. At 87 I suffer from progressive osteoarthritic knees and can only walk about 200 staccated yards, so the bike has given me a new lease on mobility, the pedaling exercising my knees without strain. Power surge in all 3 modes is impressive. Box and panniers allow shopping capability. I'd like top derailleur gear to be higher to give better pedal assistance to electric cruising. Only fault I find is very sensitive steering, endemic with smaller 20. Excellent bike, good helpful well put together, easy to use, comfortable to ride, okay.